OK， 各單位準備，我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊！
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？咩啊？揾人截住佢啦！細佬，唔好亂嚟啊！睇下條鏈。
喂，想發生咩事啊？咩啊？邊撚過嚟？停手！咪喐！Come on, my friend, just relax. 你好過啦！你知唔知我喺邊度啊？再火極，我俾佢走啦！截住佢！
What's the next? You see anyone? I think they're after Wu! Crazy fuck! Shit! Run! Run! Stay with me! Come on! Hurry up! Come on! Come on!
我哋係香港警察的北角網。
Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! They're not getting me! Let's get these guys! I'm going to follow all my guns! Son of a bitch!
Hey man, I told you next week. 下個禮拜。
點解你同我講埋呢啲嘢啊？
就憑你啊！
up at his hand.
A long time ago.
Hey, you remember when we were kids and we used to have dog eyes with the man? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. You love it.
Check him out.
Looks like I'm out of here.
Jeff. So look, you would, Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on?
Of course, man. Don't be up when you get out. Just be like old times.
Seems that the evidence against you is fair to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
Might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off. I made contact with Jackie Mom. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll record everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make it trustable.
I've done this.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the tribes. Sun Man Yi is the most powerful gang.
Raymond. Your name is Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Bulls, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. Most of them. The Dragon.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't. And, we don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir. Are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of
He
convictions.
obviously blames us twice for what happened to his family. He could turn into a attack.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Wait, Shen? Man, so great. Problem, man. By the way, I'm trying to do a few years back. Shit. Internet?
I think they're getting in next year.
You in prison or something. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild the paranoia.
Sun On Yi had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
你係想死啊？點啊？我覺得你搞錯咗喎。揾你老婆幫手嘢。睇下你有冇命佢？點啊？條線嚟！揾你老婆幫手啊！揾人仆街！知唔知死點死啊？翻去揾你老母啊！喐佢！ 打撚爆你個頭！你咁冇大鑊啊！好嘢！我呢鋪食緊油你㗎！打撚爆你個頭！ 仆街死撚緊啊！你老母，你唔係點打係嘛？死我冚家鏟！打到你撚嘅仆街！你老母三字狗，打到趴住走啊！
Come on！
收佢皮，入我數。臭街啊！腳軟嚟。
Fuck you! Are you done?
好快佢對腳。 記住我啊！究竟係咩事啊？你咁矛盾啊，靚仔
I'm still here.
你話你死
Come and get me.
同我揼撚死佢！究竟發生咩事啊？ 中爆佢個頭！過嚟！ What did they do to you in America, man? Here we are. Misty's mom owns the restaurant. Whoa! What the fuck do you think you're going? Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember? You can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider. He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us, Hoochie all day. Come on. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy. Old prosperity, huh? Ain't got no gay down here.
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for me.
Oh, shit. Hey, no. You should have seen him, Winston. Wade just beat up like 10 of dog-eyed guys in the market by himself. Right, man.
Well, they attacked us. Seems to me we can use some better help.
Oh, yeah. Winston, I don't like this cocky fucker. Wait a minute. Done yet? Dude, seat. Conrad, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wade? Get it. Get it. I'll hear more about it, friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle. So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight?
You like that?
I bet you
How
pull
about
out the
that?
first punch.
That all you got?
You're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets.
You gonna back down?
Alright, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it.
Come on, fight back. Why don't you get out of here? Huh? You like that? How about that? That all you got?
Hey,你搞乜撚嘢啊 ？Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦嚇。
And it was just getting interesting too. Winston, my old friend, so good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song-Hong-Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wade. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wade's your brother.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's tough for anybody.
You come back and apologize. Hey, yeah, be more careful.
Come on, good suit. You need good suit. All right, everybody
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No? You? All right, I'll take it.
Thanks. Bring your friends. Maybe we can have a party.
My best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hey!
Hey, man, hey, come take a look! See what I got? Hey, all Hollywood movies, super cheap!
You! Come buy groceries!
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come ask.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier. Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you? Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
No, this is gonna piss dog eyes off. Epic! Winston versus Dog Eyes.
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. But Dog Eye won't be happy.
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while. I'll pay now.
Over here. Pick this guy's with Dog Eyes.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a bak choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, get back up.
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there.
Wow, check it out.
呢個款斷咗碼，就應該平啲啦。
Why don't you have a pork bun in your hand?
Hey, you want a new shirt? You could use a new... best clothes in the market.
Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf. You don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
I have a treasure map. Why don't you have a... Please, I'll pay you. I'll make some money. They'll pay you. You can use me on your side. I'm good at, shit. I forgot to tell you. I'm your brother. No? Come on, don't do this. I said, yeah, I'm your brother. They'll pay you. I'm good at, shit.
Nhất định會後悔。 think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here. Hey! All Hollywood movies, super cheesy is here.
Please. This is no good. Horse crap. Whoa! That was
You want
fun.
DVDs? Everything.
Sure, man. How can you do this?
Hey, man,
Jeez.
hey, take a look. Hey, you want movies? You want music? You want games? Why don't you have
What are you waiting for? This should be interesting and fighting. Well, what are you waiting for?
People need to know you're one of us. You got an industry saying only the best brands. People gotta know your success.
Clothes make the man, huh?
Definitely. It's all about the clothes, man. You know how it is. People judge you by how you look.
Can I interest you in some better clothes? Thanks. Come again. Excellent. Excellent. Can I interest you in some better clothes? Have a nice day.
Let's get back to Winston.
Yeah, kill him good. Don't start with me.
Hey, you want ice cream?
Hey, Jackie.
Yeah? What'd you see? I tell you, it's nothing to be impressed.
gonna throw down? Okay. Yeah. Kind of create some pursuits, huh? I work my ass off. All day, so fuck off. Roll up.
Jackie, you're coming home. You got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
全港最平，第度保證揾唔到。咁多位真係唔買得嚟睇下喂，100蚊3件，唔買都買嚟睇下啦。
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry.
I was thinking, hey man,
撞死人咩
don't you let me dress you?
嚟啊！我呢邊最正。
Friends here are real. I got special supplies.
Is the new guy around?
You know who this great guy is?
要買親手。
一隻手就掟死你啊！ 你一定會後悔。嚟啦，柒頭！我睇你個頂啊！我食撚硬你啊！你點都係傻啊！呢鋪一定好玩啊！